Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To change your DMZ settings, first, access your router's configuration page through a web browser using its IP address. Typically, this involves typing something like 192.168.1.1 feet into the address bar. You'll need your admin username and password. Once logged in, look for the DMZ section under the security settings or similar. Here, you can enable the DMZ and enter the IP address of the device you wish to place outside the router's firewall. Remember, using DMZ increases exposure to the internet, so use it wisely for devices that require open access.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.